Hi everyone! In this IoT project, we will learn how to monitor the soil moisture of your plants using Blynk application and microbit. For this project, we will need Rekabit, Groove Wi-Fi 8266 and Maker soil moisture sensor. The connection between the components is shown in this way. Go to Blynk website, create a new account and log in. Start by creating a new template for microbit. From data stream, add a virtual pin. Then add a new device. Select the template that you have created. Now copy the token and let's start making the code for microbit. On Make Code Editor, add the Groove Wi-Fi extension. Then add these blocks. Type in the name and password of your Wi-Fi. At Blynk block, paste the token and select virtual pin 0. Now download the code on your microbit. On your phone, open Blynk app and click on microbit device. From the widget box, add a gauge and change these settings. Now you can monitor the soil moisture level. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned and see you next time.